Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans. And it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got a neat one that came out of an Akama Noodles box. Go to Meow, M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenerator for a discount. This is Nissin UFO, unidentified flying object Yakisoba. This says it's a thick yakisoba. I don't know if that's referring to the noodle or the sauce. It's thick sauce yakisoba. Sauce yakisoba is just the standard one that has the kind of tamarind, the tangy Worcestershire-esque kind of thing going on. Looks like it's going to be a lot of it, so we're going to see. It's going to be a lot of it, you know what I mean? Big block. These are all the little bits and pieces that were in with it. There's quite a bit of that. And, yeah. Then we have 2 sachets here, which we will get to when it's time. Actually, I want this stuff to end up a little further down. There we go. Okay. I'm using this because I don't think this is going to fit in my pot to let it steep that way. So let's add our boiling water. And this takes 3 snaps of the Tavacron or Chronomicron. Yeah. It takes 3 minutes. Trying to be clever, it's not working out. It is Friday, the 13th of September, 2024. It's kind of a cloudy, sunny, it can't make up its mind kind of day. And I feel like crap. Joint pain. I don't know. I've been doing a lot of walking lately, that's been nice. Oh! Birthday! Not mine. I like this track. This track is rad. I think I've used it on a few things. What's it called? Drama O Rama by Ryan James Carr. Got some funkitude to it. I just got a new album to... Well, it's not new, but I've heard it a million times. But something new for my walking around music. So I've got a Bluetooth speaker, kind of like the one you hear, but it's bigger. And then I got this phone. It's a Galaxy S9 with a 256 gig micro SD card in it. And it's over half full. I think it's got 150 gigs of music on it. But it's an old phone, yeah, but it works great as like an MP3 player. And it fits right in the front of the waist pack that I use. I swear, I catch people like laughing when they see me coming. But it's like, dude, why don't you don't broadcast your tunes and torture everybody with what you're listening to? That's been a thing I've done all my life. But I don't have a car. I don't have a boom boom car. I can't drive. I'm blind. So I got a frickin' fanny pack in the front with a big Bluetooth speaker, and I can play stuff. But I got this album. There's a guy named Bill Chase. In fact, his sheet music and stuff is used a lot, I guess, by school band stuff. But it's like this really loud, punchy, bleeding horn, and it's all trumpety. But it's cool. It's cool. I like it. Yeah. I keep looking at this stovetop thinking, like, is that dirt or is that like a crack in it? It's not a crack. It's just like very hard to keep these ceramic cooktops pristine. Yeah. But it's Friday the 13th. I feel like crap. That's okay. But I'm trying to think, what are we going to do this weekend? There's got to be something. Something. Oh. Yes. Play. I just wish I could play whatever I want without getting a copyright strike. I don't know. I don't tend to get copyright strikes. It's like if I play something that I want, it'll say like, hey, this was on your music. It was detected. In some places, like on YouTube, some will just say, all right, well, we're going to mute that part of your video, which I'm not keen on. And others will be like, well, any money that's made off this video, the copyright holder's going to get. Which, if I could know which was going to happen, I might be more prone to play more unlicensed music. But I don't think there's a way to know. So, I do two things. I've got a music library that I get stuff from, and then I've got, which is licensed, and then I've got, what do you call it? AI. I've been making music with AI, with Suno. But now I'm starting to hear that sometimes the things that sense, if you're playing licensed music, will get a false positive off of Suno. Which, of course, the recording industry says, see, they're copying. It's like, no. I'm all on board with Suno. I think there's probably going to be musicians that are like, make stuff with Suno. Say you're a guy in the middle of nowhere and you play guitar and you have like no other people around you. Like you live on the North Pole. You would come up with an album. You could use AI to say, hey, here's music that I wrote and I want a bass track that would go along with this. That's cool. You could have, design your own backup band. I don't know. A lot of people are really afraid of AI, don't like AI, blah, 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 blah. I love it. I think it's it's just a tool. Look, the people who did illuminated letters in the Middle Ages probably went and had a big campaign saying that the printing press was the devil's work, so there's all these people who don't like progress, new technology. I like it. So, it seems kind of thick. I don't know, let's give it a try. Yeah. Thicker noodle. It does have some bits. A little cabbage. I saw some meaty bits, though. Meaty bits. That is not a meaty bit. Searching. That's oh, my that's a meat bit. Yep. Little thin piece of meat. Do I like it? Yeah, I like yakisoba a lot. Do I like this yakisoba? Yeah. Do I like it that it's thicker? Could take it, could leave it. Now, I also have this other sachet. I should inspect this first to see if it's actually a topping. Because it could be shichimi, and my guess is that it is. This tiny little sachet here. If it's shichimi, which just means 7 spice or 7 peppers, I can't remember, but if it is shichimi, I will dust it on top. Ooh, it is not. If it is, it's almost like a ginger furikake, I think might be a more apt term for it. Whoa, 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 that's a lot of freaking food. Whoa, 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 why are you spinning around? Well, we got some stuff to add to this. I will allow the Shichikura stuff to live in its own kind of zone so I can try it after. Yeah, it's almost like a ginger and seaweed kind of affair. It smells quite good. So if you're gonna have yakisoba, I don't see anything wrong with a big old slice of chashu on the side. Nor do I see anything wrong. Okay, why is this thing so freaking... That's a little better. This doesn't really fit on here. Interesting. Okay. Torch shichimi or chashu. Can't speak. Now, need other edition, which I don't know. I don't really see it too often, but it's something I think is a nice addition. I'm gonna add a fried egg, not just any fried egg. A lovely fried egg. Look at that. Ooh. And some... we'll do that next. I need a toothpick. No. Don't need a toothpick. I thought I did, but I did not. But I have a thing that I do when there's no mayo that comes with it. You just take a Ziploc bag and you turn it into a piping bag, like so. Come on. It's all about, there you go. I kind of like that. I'm gonna leave it at that. Some spring onion, scallion, whatever you want to call it. I don't want you to intermingle too much. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a good spot. There you go. And a little bit of sesame seed, and I think we are good. That looks nice. Hey, look at what I made. Look what I can do. Okay. All right. There is our rotato. Don't knock this thing on the floor. That would be untoward. Whoa, whoa, what? Hey, how you doing? Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll be right back. Well, that, as they say, is that. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you can do so. That would make me really, I would find that to be an enjoyable thing. And, yeah, tell people about it. Make some noodles. Yeah. Send me noodles. I need more stuff to review. It's always nice. And if you've got stuff I have never reviewed before, go look at www.theramenraider.com. You can look through my big list. You can look through everything. I probably reviewed it, but maybe not. So, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.